Hi, this is Mohan. I'll be explaining about the phenomenon of underfitting and overfitting during a machine learning training process in this video. So, at first, if you look at underfitting, this particularly happens when the learning model is too simple to capture the underlying data. So, for example, in this illustration, we can see that uh, the the learning model has fit a straight line to capture those data points during the training process, but the model the data points are spread across in a curve-like manner. So in this way, so here the training error is also high, and while validating this with an unseen data, the validation error also is high in the case of underfitting. So another thing which could happen during the training process is overfitting. So overfitting happens when your model is too complex. It just memorizes all the data points. So what happens is it fits very perfectly with the training data set. But when it comes to unseen data points, like in the validation or the test data set, the prediction error is just too high. So in these cases, the training error is low, and the case of the validation error, and the case of overfitting, the validation error is too high. This is because it fits too perfectly to fit only the data points which is given in the training set, and it just performs very bad with the unseen data points. So, so third illustration you can see is an example which doesn't come under underfitting or overfitting. It is like approximately the best fit that we can get for this set of data points. So as you can see, it is just not a straight line or a curve which just connects all the points. It is a curve which is which it is an approximate curve which uh, whose uh, so this is an approximate curve which reduces the training error to a point. Also, when introduced to unseen data points, it performs relatively well when compared to the underfitting or the overfitting case. So when it comes to underfitting, what we can do to improve is we can use we can train the data for more epochs, or we can make the learning model more complex. Here we can see that it's just a straight line, so it is a linear regression machine learning model. So we can maybe use some neural networks to fit this data point. So in the case of overfitting, we can use regularization, and in case of neural networks, we also have the concept of adding dropout layers in order to tackle overfitting. So yeah, so this is the uh, concept of underfitting and overfitting, and this is very important to understand while training any machine learning or deep learning model, since it affects the model's performance. So yeah, thank you.